Again, ang peace reconciliation na pagiging karon through IT customaries and laws, ito yung panagsabwa na yung mo karon dawa. Din panagsabwa, we are doing this to strengthen yung kinship, restore yung trust ng different stakeholders na natin sa barangay, labi na natin sa IT communities, and of course to promote peace through traditional conflict resolution. So, if we go to the objectives of this activity, ako'y duha na laging ginagawang guide in order to execute this activity. Una, we are here, the Philippine Army, the 8th IB, under the supervision of the 400th Brigade. We support reintegration and healing because we intend to achieve a lasting peace and genuine reconciliation through the traditional customary laws and traditions. Ang gusto natin is we promote forgiveness, acceptance, kasi both sides, the FRs and the IT communities have experienced loss and pains dahil sa matagal na gera dito sa Upper Pulangi. So we are promoting it. Ginagawa natin yung activity dito in order to forgive, to heal, and accept, and of course for social reintegration. Second objective actually is that we support cultural solidarity and mutual respect. Kasi we believe that cultural solidarity is the cornerstone of peace, of enduring peace. Hindi ang healing mag-uumpisa yan sa puso ng tao at saka sa collective will ng mga tao na gustong i-rebuild yung broken relationship. So ito yung mga objectives ng ating panagsabwa activity. Yun lang, maraming salamat.